Jeffrey Dollar. Right. So today is plea deadline date. Jury trial.
Well, Judge, I filed a motion to withdraw on all three of his cases. We have
Could I see the
a
motion?
disagreement about representation.
Do you have the motions with you?
I have one of them, but I can get the other ones printed out.
I just need
He
the
has
case.
one indicted case, Judge, and then two unindicted. And
So I have the 2025 PF 08119.
I've got 120. And then the indicted case is, my office didn't send it with me, but we filed it.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007775, 2025 PF 08119, 2025 PF 2025 PF 08120. Could I have parties announced?
Robert Maurer for defendant.
And are you Mr. Dollar?
Yes.
All right. So your defense attorney has filed a motion to withdraw in each of your cause numbers. So when will you be able to hire an attorney? No, that's not how it works.
Represent myself then.
Okay,
I mean, I don't, how does it not work that way? I'm asking for a court-appointed attorney.
this is your court-appointed attorney.
He's withdrawn from my case.
Yeah, because I guess there's some sort of
Did you not
conflict.
give me an email?
I don't respond to emails, and those emails don't come to me. Those emails come to the court coordinator, and then that email is sent to the defense attorney and to the state. I don't review emails.
Well, I've tried to contact Mr. Maher's office several times over the past 6 months with no response. I cannot get an answer.
Judge, that is, I'd like to respond to that. That is complete nonsense.
I've got
He has
screenshot.
been in my office. He has met with me. He has reviewed the evidence. I've discussed the case. I've discussed the offers. He's not happy with the offer, and I told him then we try it.
Yeah.
But just to speak frankly, and he probably put this in the email, it got to the point where he offered me extra money, somehow thinking that was going to change how I represented people. And I said, I've acquitted people on murder charges on appointed cases. And I'm offended by his attitude and his actions, and I don't want to represent him.
No, actually, you said shut the F up and hung up
I
in my
probably did,
face.
Judge.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
All
I'm
right,
quite certain
so,
I did.
Mr. Maurer, state, do you have any objections? All right, Mr. Maurer, your motion to withdraw in all three cases will be granted. You'll need to retain counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 30 days, and it's for the defendant to obtain an attorney.
Yes, Marie.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012476, 2024 CR 009596, State versus Clinton, Dwayne Dixon. And are you Mr. Dixon?
Yes, ma'am.
State and cause number ending in 96. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? It's the unauthorized use?
Yes, here. Yes, here. Was it enhanced?
Yes.
Okay, we're waiving the enhancement and proceeding on the state jail offense here.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
And in cause number ending in 76, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're waiving the aggravated enhancement and proceeding on the offense of robbery, but also proceeding on the repeat offender enhancement.
And the cause number ending in 76, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery with an enhancement allegation. If the enhancement allegation is proven true, then your range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 96, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Your plea bargaining agreement in the cause number ending in 96 is to be 365 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $0 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 76, according to your plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included of robbery. You're to agree that you've been previously convicted of one or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. There's a cap of 15 years in the prison, $2,000 fine. They will take in consideration 2025 CR 001601. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of those cause numbers? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 012476 to the offense of robbery, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
To the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true? And the cause number 2024 CR 009596 to unauthorized use of a vehicle, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And cause number 2024 CR 009596, the court will find you guilty. And cause number 2024 CR 012476, the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Mr. Featherston, do you wish to proceed with sentencing in 2024 CR 009596?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we respectfully request the court to follow the plea bargain agreement and sentence him to judgment satisfied.
All right, and cause number 2024 CR 009596. The court will follow your plea bargain agreement. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. And that's 365 days under 1244. There's a $0 fine, and the court will find that the judgment is satisfied. And that cause number, all right, we can go off the record. Mr. Featherston,
Excuse me.
on the other case, do you want a full PSI and TAP evaluation?
We do, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset for TAP and PSI.
I can do December 18th.
Can I have one more week because of that holiday?
It's gonna put us.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right, so we'll be back on December 18th. At that time, I'll make a decision on your application. It'll be based upon whatever evidence is submitted to the court. Do you understand? And you said December 18th?
Yes, sir.
And Judge, can you confirm the cause numbers?
It's 2024 CR 012476. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Court is calling 2025 CR 012612 State versus Antonio Eslora. Are you Mr. Eslora?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, I have a motion to amend on the indictment, and so it's regarding the priors, regarding the prior ending in 47W. I'd like to change the offense to read as theft under 1500 enhanced. And then regarding the cause number ending in 41W, I'd like for it to read as theft under 2500 enhanced.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If into the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry, what?
Guilty.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client wishes this court to consider time that he's already been served and also the 80-20 rule.
All right, Mr. Eslora, why do you keep stealing?
Honestly,
Yeah, let's be honest.
I just finished serving 29 years, and my problem is, I do have a drug habit,
Mhm.
and that escalates to a lot of time.
Well,
I know I need some help. I know that.
how old are you?
I'm 58 years old.
All right, I can tell you this because I'm in the same boat. More of your life is behind you than in front of you. And if you don't make some changes, you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in prison.
That I don't want,
I mean, but your actions are saying something differently. I understand, I've never been addicted to drugs, right? So when I say I understand the concepts. But if you don't change your life, only 1 or 2 things going to happen. Either you're going to be in prison for the rest of your life,
Mhm.
or either somebody's going to be identifying your body.
No, man, lost all my family, and that's the hard part.
Mhm.
Because that means back to drug addiction, and I'm sick and tired of it. I've been to rehabs, I've done my part, please, I've done my part. And I still need some help.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. give you credit for any time served. I'm going to give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. I'm going to request the therapeutic community. That's to help you with any drug addictions you may have. Once you're released from the prison, or I should say from state jail facility, if you can't find a place for treatment, if you come back here, I'm still here, I'll pick up the phone and call so that you can get into transitioning housing and get someone to help you with your drug addiction. Like I can have you and say, hey, this is the facility for you. I've called, they're ready to accept you. Whether you accept it or not, that's in your purview, okay?
Well, that's what I need.
Okay. All right, we can go off the record. I'm serious. Your life is going to end up one or two ways if you continue on this path. Either in prison for the rest of your life, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body, because the last time you use may be the last time you use. And then if you continue to commit thefts to support your habit, people have been known to get shot for doing that. You understand? And people will just say, oh, well, he was robbing, the store. You understand?
Sure.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay. You're welcome. You can do it. I've seen people do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court is calling 2025 CR 011960, 2025 CR 011962. I'm sorry, off the record for a moment. Is he pleading to 3 cases?
Yes,
Yes, Judge.
All right, we're back on the record. Sorry. Court is calling 2025 CR 011960, 2025 CR 011961, 2025 CR 011962, State versus Jacob Rodriguez. Are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
In cause number ending in 60 and 61, you're charged with criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000. And cause number ending in 62, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. The state is proceeding on the enhancement allegations as a habitual offender. Therefore, the range of punishments will be from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $2,000 fine. The cause numbers will run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 16444, 2025 CR 010597, and 2025 CC 009929. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 011960, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict.
To the enhancements, how do you plead? True or not true? And cause number 2025 CR 011961, to the offense, how do you plead?
No conflict.
To the enhancements, how do you plead?
True.
And cause 2025 CR 011962, how do you plead?
No conflict.
To the enhancements, how do you plead?
True.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will find enhancements true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Counsel, are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're prepared, Judge, yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client under that cause number?
No, ma'am.
Then in that cause number, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011960, 2025 CR 011961, 2025 CR 011962. Take in consideration 2025 PF 16444, 2025 CR 010597, 2025 CC 009929, and there's to be no contact with U-Haul. Counsel, in cause number 2025 CR 01196, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancements true. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011960, 2025 CR 011961, 2025 CR 011962. Take in consideration 2025 PF 16444, 2025 CR 010597, 2025 CC 9929. And there's to be no contact with U-Haul and no contact with 14690 Petranco Road 78245. We'll next proceed in cause number 2025 CR 011962. The court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancements true. All right, in that case, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This case will run concurrently with 2025 CR 011960, 2025 CR 011962. Take in consideration 2025 PF 16444, 2025 CR 010597, 2025 CC 009929. And there should be no contact with DR Horton, no contact with 14690 Petranco Road, San Antonio, Texas, 78253. All right, we can go off record. Mr. Rodriguez, decision in your life. Do you want to be in prison for the rest of your life? There's always a place for accommodation for prison, right? People can starve, but guess what? We'll always have a prison for you. Do you understand? So you better change your ways. And while you're sitting over there doing your time, you need to ask yourself if this was all worth it. If it is, then you're going to end up in prison for the rest of your life. All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Toshi.
How much more must we give when the wells run dry? Love, you've taken the stars from the sky above, left shadows in the corners of my soul. Every word, every step, carried away like a thief in the cold. How much more must we give? You take everything. Leaves fall, rivers dry, even the sparrow's lost its wings. How much more must we give when there's nothing left to bring? The field's gone fallow, the plow rusted through, and the seeds we planted forgotten too. The wind whispers secrets it ought not know, blowing hollow through a heart laid low. Where do you go when the world's turned gray? What do you steal when there's nothing to take away? How much more must we give? You take everything. The sun hides, the tides recede, even the willow bows to spring. How much more must we give when there's nothing left to bring? I held out my hands full of gold. You left me with ashes, stories untold. The moon, it weeps for a love that's gone, and the wolves, they sing the same old song. How much more must we give? You take everything. Clouds gather, storms begin. Even the clock won't let time spin. How much more must we give when there's nothing left to bring?